Hello students. Today we will study session 14, that is inviting someone. In this session we will learn about the conversation, that how we can invite somebody in a polite way. So just we have to just read this session. Let's read. Read the sentences given below aloud with the right intonation, modulation of voice means the tone of your voice. Okay. Do you want to come to my party tonight? I have a party tonight. You can come. Come to my party tonight. And fourth is, I'm inviting you to come to my party tonight. There is a party at my place tonight. Why don't you come? There is a party at my place tonight. I would like I would like you to come. Would you like to come to my party tonight? I have a party tonight. I would love it if you could come. Did you notice any difference in tone between the first four examples and the last four? In all the sentences given above, the speaker is inviting someone to his party that night. So, as in all the above 8 sentences, the speaker is inviting someone at his party. Okay. However, example 1 to 4 are hardly used by people as they sound very casual and even rude. That is example 3. So, simply saying that, do you want to come to my party tonight? This is rude. Come to my party tonight. This is also rude. Okay. Whereas example 5 to 8, on the other hand, are polite way of inviting people and so are preferable. So let's read example 5 to 8 again. What are the polite way of inviting someone? Fifth is, there is a party at my place tonight. Why don't you come? There is a party at my place tonight. I would like you to come. Would you like to come to my party tonight? I have a party tonight. I would love it if you could come. So, now we have to read aloud all these following sentences. Let's see what are they. Would you like to come to the party? Why don't you come to the party? It would be a nice or great. It would be a nice if you come to my wedding. I would be happy if you come to my wedding. I would love it if you come to my wedding. I would like to invite you to my wedding or party. So the sentences can be started like I would love, I would like, it would be happy, it would be nice, I would be happy. Okay, these are the polite way of inviting someone. Inviting someone to go somewhere with you. So these are the phrases which we can use to invite someone when we want to go or offer them to go with someone, go with us somewhere. We are going to the movie today. Would you like to come? We are going to the mall today. Would you like to come? Okay, in this way you can ask politely to somebody to come along you. Would you like to go to the movies with us? We are going to the movie. Do you want to come? Okay, next is inviting someone to join you in something, means you are doing something. Okay, or you are going to do something, you are inviting someone, offering someone to join you. Let's see what are they. We are having lunch at the hotel. Would you like to join us? Would you like to join us for lunch? Okay, so this is the exercise given. We just have to read this exercise. Okay, we don't have to do anything, just read and understand that what are the proper or polite conversation to invite somebody at our place or somewhere we are going to. Study the conversation snippets A, B, C, and D given below. Snippet A, invitation to a birthday party. So let's read the conversation among two students where student 1 is inviting student 2 at his or her birthday party. Student 1 is saying, it's my birthday today. Next is replying, really, happy birthday. So 1 is again saying, thanks. Actually, I'm having a birthday party at my place this afternoon and I would like to invite you. So student 2 is replying, sounds great. I would love to come. So student 1 is again saying, thanks. I will see you then. So this was the small conversation between two students where first student is inviting his friend at his birthday party. Okay. Second is invitation to an engagement. So first student is giving invitation to other. I am getting engaged. Student 2 is replying, that's great news. When? On the 15th of this month. Why don't you come to the party? Second student is saying, of course, I will come. So next situation we have is invitation to a picnic. So first student is saying, hey, are you free this Sunday? Second is saying, yes, why? First is again saying, we are planning to go on a picnic to Deer Park. Would you like to join us? So second student is saying, definitely. So next condition we have is invitation to a show. So in this situation, first student is inviting to second student for the show. Okay. First is saying, do you have any plans for this Saturday? Second is saying, not at the moment. Why? First is saying, I have 2 tickets for a play. Would you like to come? Second is saying, oh, I would love to. Thanks. Means in this session we just learn about what are the polite way of conversation. Okay, how we can offer or invite somebody at our place, occasion, or like wedding, engagement, birthday party, etc. Okay, that to say something, to offer something, the tone of the voice match much like when you say, go from here. Okay, this looks rude, but if you say, please go from here, the sentence means the same, but this is the polite way of saying. Okay, so that's it for today. Next session we will do in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.